Want to create a stunning 3D mockup in just minutes, completely free? Let's jump in. Head to the link in the description. This amazing online tool lets you create 3D mockups with ease. Click Remix. What you see is a pre-made scene. We'll focus on the phone mockup. Click and delete the unnecessary cube. We only need one phone. Click and delete the extra phone layer. Remember to delete its screen too. Use Alt plus click and drag to position your camera. Click on the phone screen. Scroll down to Material. Choose Image. And upload your design. Go back to Frame. Choose your desired frame size. Position the phone for a great view. Click Export. Scroll down, select Hide Background, and hit Export. Boom! You have a free high-quality 3D mockup in seconds. Thanks for watching.